Good morning, students. So children, we all were in lesson number 17, the sky. So what we have seen about the sky? When we look up in the open, what do we see? We see the sun, the moon, stars and clouds at different times. Now during the day, sunny bright day, we can see the sun and sometimes clouds in the sky. We can see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. Now at night, nights are always dark. We can see the moon and stars at night. We can see a rainbow after rain in the sky. It has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now today we will going to learn more about the sky. So with me, take out page number 86. Now the clouds. Clouds look like cotton balls. They float in the sky. Cotton balls, they are white in color, isn't it, children? So the clouds, how does they look? It looks like cotton balls and it looks as if they are floating in the sky. And when the sun shines bright in the sky, now these clouds, they look white and the sky appears blue. Sky looks blue. Now dark clouds, they always bring rain. When there are lots of clouds in the sky, we cannot see the sun. The sun hides behind the clouds. Can you see it in the picture now, children? Dark clouds are there and then the rain. The moon. Now come to the moon. We see the moon at night in the sky. The moon changes its shapes every night and it is round in shape. The moon is round in shape and silver white in color. The moon changes its shapes every night. Okay, can you see the picture of phases of the moon? Sometimes it is full moon, sometimes it is half moon. Okay. Now children, this was all about the lesson. Now come to page 87 for your homework. Okay, this is your homework. A. Write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That this is true. In the box you will write T only for true. Then second, we can see the sun on a dark cloudy day. Do we? No, na? We don't see. So here we will write F, false. 3. We can see stars at the night sky. Yes, true. Write T. Then 4. A rainbow has 7 colors. This is also true. You will write T in the box. 5th, white and clear clouds bring rain. Is this true? White and clear clouds, no. So you will write here false, F. Now this is B question. This part you will not going to do. C. Come to C. So here I have crossed it. Okay children, you will not do exercise B. You will do only C. And both the exercises you will going to do in your book only. Match the following columns. The sun. Now the second side of the this side we can see what? During the day, at night. Now you have to match this side with this side. The sun. When do you see the sun? During the day. The moon at night. The stars at night. Rainbow during the day and clouds during the day. At night also clouds are there in the sky all the time. But when do you see the clouds? During the day. So now this was all about your homework. Now tomorrow again we all will be meeting. Till then, goodbye. Take care.